Hello YouTube, tonight I'm hungry and we're going to make chicken and lamb kebabs. I seasoned them with Montreal steak seasoning, Montreal chicken seasoning, and a little bit of paprika. These things are going to be really good. It's 100% meat, there are no vegetables in it or nothing. I got the grill set to 350 degrees. So set them up there. We'll give it about 45 minutes and we'll probe them. All right, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, would you look at those. Would you just look at them. So I'm gonna probe some of the chicken. I wanna see what temperature they're at. And we're at about 151 degrees. So they need to cook for a little while longer. So we're gonna give it another maybe 20-30 minutes and see where we're at. All right, YouTube, we're back again. We're gonna probe the chicken. Off camera, I switched the position of my probe into a fatter piece of chicken, a little bit thicker. That's 165. That's 165. That's 165. That's 165. Geez, that's like 170. All right. So let's get it off the grill. I love these bag of rags. It makes it really easy. I love the sound of the sizzle too. All right, all that's left is to get it off of these screws without burning yourself too bad. Look at that. All right, all that's left is to get them on plates.